Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures. We divide elegant spirals for jewelry into halves. We attach various decorations to them: shells and rhinestones, bows with bright stones, flowers, and even berries. We put a hairpin with shells on Barbie's hair. Very beautiful, isn't it? Elsa chose a hairpin with a blue flower. Both the bow and the rose are pretty miniature hairpins. It's difficult to choose the best one. Let's make a round vase. We cut the foam paper in the form of grass, thin it, apply glue, and twist it into a bundle. We glue fluffy algae brushes to the bottom of the vase, the first and the second. We pour a layer of real sand. We chose the most beautiful striped fish and placed it along the algae. We filled the vase with water to the very edge. What a wonderful doll aquarium! On a cork stand, we circle the phone and carefully cut it out with a stationary knife strictly along the contour. We remove the irregularities at the edges. We choose a case with an oval shape. We put a sheet of foam paper on a cork cube, apply a thick layer of glue, and sprinkle it with sequins. We cover it with a film and put on an oval mold. After the glue solidifies, we release the leaf and cut out the oval exactly along the contour. We repeat the work with different colors: yellow, gold, green, and red. Look at what beautiful phone cases are! Very realistic. Barbie chose a green case. Barbie wants a new hairstyle. Should I get a haircut or dye it? Maybe I should increase her hair? Of course! First, we perform the preparation. We comb our hair well. Now we cut off the artificial strands from the braid. Cut off the edge and glue it on the doll's head exactly between the rows of real blonde hair. We carefully smear it with glue and add the lilac blue strands row by row. Now we need to comb the hair, trim it, and cut a little at the bottom. Look, Barbie has a gorgeous hair! Want to make a box? We cover the lid with our favorite pink color and generously sprinkle it with colorful sequins. We glue the sticker. We take a cute llama in a blanket and tassels and add a funny tail to it. We glue 2 elastic bands for hair. There will be handles of the backpack. Now let's look inside. It's very roomy here. Well, how is it, Ariel? Is it convenient? It's great, isn't it? We cut off a finger from the knitted glove. We make a wide lapel and try a miniature cap on. We add fashionable pom-poms, ears, and decor made of sparkling hearts. What a cool new thing for the doll! Let's make a piece of delicate pink fur. We cut off 2 thick wires, put them on the fabric, bend and glue them at the top and bottom. We bend the finished part in the form of a corner on one side, and repeat the steps on the other side. We will make a hard cardboard base. We glue the corner to a reliable bottom, the floor. We cut out an even square. We prepare the frame for the window and attach a mosquito net to it. We prepare the window design. We add a rigid sidewall of foam paper to the house and cut off the excess material carefully. We fasten the second wall of felt and cut it at the entrance. We bend the edges. A realistic summer picture. A tent on the grass and a happy baby. If we put a pillow, will you sleep? No, she wants to run. What will it be? We roll up the cardboard and glue the shiny foam paper. We add a fur layer with a heart window. Let's make out a funny face. Eyes, nose, and a mouth with a smile. We make an appetizing watermelon with a green crust and a sweet middle with black bones. Done! We glue a strip of fur and cut out 2 handles. We fix the handles. One handle holds the watermelon firmly, and the second is on the magnet. We open the blank and connect it with the sheets. The miniature notebook with a real clasp is so pretty. I want to stroke it again and again. Let's see what else we can make from a knitted glove. Work carefully. We cut off the excess parts carefully until the desired shape is obtained. We leave the 2 extreme fingers without a top and cut out the arcs on the sides. We smear the side sections with hot glue and press them well. It's time to try on the new doll outfit. A pink dress with a luxurious decor on the collar, in front, and on sleeves is a cool outfit. Barbie makes a compliment to her girlfriend.